abo to make you get sure that everything is safe, your lives and property are safe here.
You can see our guard, you can see the security guard they're on set. The place is so peaceful. They have been here since 2 days ago or 3 days ago. They are making arrangements to see that the people's life is secured, to see that the town is peaceful, to see that there's not anything of riot. And what I love about Igbo people, they are so peaceful people.
More peaceful. I mean, that's what today me or give you conscious you know that kind of feeling you get when everyone were happy. Some people were minding their business. I mean, the elderly ones are sitting down. You just see. I mean, they are sitting down discussing about future of the Yoruba land. You know, isn't it a beautiful sight to view? So, Emma Baba one saying, Emma Etibinuswa, welcome back.
I'm going to tell you kini irú èyàn wo ni bàbá wa entertain so yi tí Olóyè Sunday irú èyàn ló ń ṣe ẹjọ́ ṣe lè bá sọ fáwọn èyàn wa ni irú èyàn ló ń ṣe gan ṣé igi ni wọ́n ni àbọ̀pẹ̀ ni wọ́n àbí irú èyàn wo ni.
Ṣé mọ̀ pé láti ọ̀dọ̀ yín bẹ̀yẹn. Now let's make it an ongoing conversation. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká ju ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sí àwọn èèyàn ní tó bá wá sọ.
Okay.
La máa pè jáde.
All right. Bamidele is saying something here.
Okay.
He say, I love him. I love the man. He's a man of people. I love him so much. So thank you so much, Bamidele, for your comment. Yeah, he's a man of people. Thank you so much, Bami. All right. Thank you. Keep the comments coming.
Okay. Someone said, God bless Koikimedia team. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah. Olaolumati said, this man, upon what past government did to him, people still stand by him. This man is Akandeyo Olorun.
Akandeyo. See how people are so amazing. It's been so lovely to see people, to see them, and for someone to just say this man is Akandeyo, it shows that the man is.
You know, should I say something?
Yeah.
Should I say something?
No. Audio. Audio yìí mò ń lò ní. Voice yìí mò ń lò ní. Mò ń lò ní mò ń lò ní.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, someone said my main man, I can't wait to see you again. Igboho Akiomo Akin, I love you plenty. Okay, what other comments are we having in this other section?
Coming, there's this person, Bamidele Ojo. He said, Dr. Igboho deserve the respect, he deserves the accolade, he deserves the kudos to him. Thank you so much, Bamidele. Yes, keep your comments. Just keep your comments coming to tell us how, to define this man. Just tell us how do you see this man? Just define the man for us before you.
My fellow correspondent, do you know that if awards, can be like this, okay, you know this thing they use on putting on the ground, these ties. If an award is meant to be ties, Toba to select for Sunday,
Sure.
Because the award is going to be too much. It's just going to be too much. Let me read down the comments here. Okay, can you read that? Koiki, you are doing great. Thank you
so much. This person, Ayodele Fumilayo, Olóyè Sunday is a very simple man. For those that love him, for those that believe in him, he's a simple man and he's a straightforward man.
Yes, you know, I wonder how simple someone can be. Okay. I wonder how simple someone can be to that level. And it goes down, irrespective of how much you say, not just what's the kind of man.
Àwọn èèyàn tẹ̀ rò pé nígbà tí ṣẹlẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ̀ kò ti tán ọ̀tẹ̀ rò pé kò sí ẹ̀rùjẹ́ ṣe mọ́ ọmọ wà lẹ́yìn odi kò ní lè padà wá sí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wa bọ́ Ọlọ́run tó tọ́jú Joseph
ní ilẹ̀ tí ó mọ̀
tí kò mọ̀
nílẹ̀ tí ò ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bàbá ẹ̀.
and God pulled him out to be able to be a president.
You are a man of God.
Yeah.
You are a man of God. I celebrate grace.
So òun la sọ àyàn wọn lé pé tí ọlọ́mà ti dá ẹ mọ̀ orí ló ń gbà mí kò fi èrò bọ́tọ́ ọlọ́mà ti yọ ẹ́ kò ní èrò ẹni yẹn ti di ẹ̀dá tuntun fún àwọn èèyàn. So nǹkan tá a lè sọ nípa olóyè ni pé ẹ̀dá tuntun to liberate the humankind.